Is cutting hair hard? Many during this MCO season, they're gonna think that cutting hair is gonna be difficult, but today I'm gonna show you how simple it's gonna be. Alright? Without further ado, let's see what we're gonna learn today. So, first thing first, we need our equipment, right? We have a hair clip, alright? Make sure you get that one. And then let's see what do we have here. A comb. Okay, make sure you have a shaver, alright? A pair of scissors, right? And you need a mirror. Not only one, but you need two. Okay? Let's do this. The unboxing part. What do you need in your hair clipper? Alright? Main thing is your clip. Usually people say, 0.5, and then get me like a hair clip 0.5 or 1. This is the one which makes the job, right? Brings you down. So I have 12 mm, 9, maybe you can just show them, right? Your trimmer, and about this, I don't give a damn about this, alright? So you just need your trimmer and your hair clipper. Fix it up. So I probably got this thing, a hair clip. It cost me like only 30 bucks, alright? Shipping would cost you probably like 3 bucks. So altogether it's like 33 bucks, which is worth, right? So let's go ahead with the biggest one. Use the biggest clip so that you don't make any mistakes, alright? You don't want to screw up your hair. So when you're actually cutting, right, make sure that it goes up, right? Just bring it like this and then up like that. So we have tried with the first clip, alright, the biggest clip. If you find this is not short enough, right, just plug this out, go for a smaller one. Not the smallest, right, not the smallest, but since I tried 12, now I'm gonna try 9. I'm gonna see how my side's gonna look like. So when you cut, right, make sure you have a layer over here. Like this side is gonna be 12 and this side is gonna be 9. That's how I prefer. That's how I prefer. So if you're combing your head this side, alright, we're gonna comb from this side. So I prefer like from my left hand side to the right hand side. So I'm gonna keep this shorter. So I'm gonna cut over here, right? Let me show you. Make sure I don't have a clip, so I'm just gonna cut it off. Make sure I shave this side. Remember how I taught you guys? Go up. That's it. And over here, try to what do you call this? Pull your ear down and then shave this part, You don't want to leave anything unturned. Now, for this part, how my hair is bulging out? I'm gonna shave this off. Oops. So actually guys, I should have brought my hair clip, right, so that a piece of advice would be to place a clip over here, right, so that it holds your hair on top. If you're not planning to cut your hair on top, right, you just want to make sure the sides are shaved. Now we're gonna now we need a mirror, right? This one I stole from my auntie. So
shout out to auntie.
Shout out to my auntie, bro. Okay, so you want to look at the sides, right? Make sure that you don't screw up your sides. So take the mirror and just look at it, right? So this is what I want, right? This is how I want it to be. So now I'm done with the trimmer. I'll show you how to use scissors to cut your hair, right? I don't want it to be too short or too long. No, now it's reaching my eyebrows. It's actually exceeded. It's longer than my eyebrows, right? My eyebrows are here and I can't even see. So I want to make sure pull it down, right? Use your comb it down all the sides. Now the trick bring it up like this, hold it with your fingers like a scissor, place it like this and just chop it off. Right. I think I took like a big piece. Right. Put this thing down first. So I hold it like this. Put my, okay, only the front, right? I want to make it short. I don't want it to be too long. So grab it like this, pull it up, and cut. And then the next row. So since I've cut this part, now the next one. You know, it's totally up to you guys how long you want it, but just don't cut too short, right? So now, you know how I was cutting on top, right? Look at the sides. Make sure that the sides are even, right? I think this should be fine, but I do see a long one, so you want to make sure it's all even. Cut it off, God. Okay. Cool. Now, sides are quite even. Now back to the clip. Hold your hair, right? Wait, so you're using 12. So guys, don't worry about this side, okay? You'll just place your hair like this, so no one is gonna see. But this side is important, most important part. Alright, my hair is getting stuck. I'm gonna make sure my sides are even. Now, mirror 2 is gonna help me out to do the work. Alright, now, you know how I told you guys I'll help you guys over here, right? You don't want to make it too, what do you call this? Like a V shape. I don't want that. I don't prefer that. When I go to my barber, it just gives me like this U kind of shape. So, take this, right? Make sure you place it in the right place. Don't Don't turn it on yet. Okay, I think I got the right side. Corner. This. That. Oh, my hair is getting stuck. Right, now, make sure you just maybe touch up. Shave this off. You just don't want to shave your eyebrows, you know. So maintain the distance. So I'll just take my comb to see whether it's all even. So alright, I think we're done. And did I screw this up? No, right? Just let me know. Okay? Go down the comments below. Comment your best comments. Let me know what you think. Alright? And I'll try to get back to you guys in my next content. Subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you guys.